Today I am here to explain you about the best career options that you need to know after engineering. So, what after engineering? Yes, a frequent question from everyone to mainly the unplaced candidates. So, it hurts when any unplaced candidate hears this question. And if you are the one, please comment down below. And not only to them, for BTech students, so this is the common question that everyone will face. So, to help you in this regard, here is our list of best career options that you need to choose after engineering. The first thing is the campus placement. As campus placement will be conducted usually in final year of your engineering, and this is the most preferred option. So why this is most preferred option? So getting a campus placement gives you a secure and graduated job in some companies, not all companies. So you need to you can complete your degree and you can go for the jobs. And to get these jobs you need to meet some eligibility. So some of the common and basic eligibility is you need to get a 60 minimum, you need to maintain a minimum of 60 percentage. So I need to be good at aptitude and your communication skills to perform and to get better results in interview. So you need to do at least two projects based on your interest, so it will boost you in interview. And the second thing is expertise in one field. There are few national level coding challenges conducted by TCS, Infosys, that exchange. So, usually TCS conducts two online challenges. One is Ninja and the other one is CodeVita. So to attend these examinations, students need to meet some basic requirements. So these will be announced by TCS. If you want to know about TCS CodeVita, so please check the link in the description. We already done a dedicated video on TCS CodeVita. Infosys people are conducting InfyTQ certification. So the most advantage that InfyTQ have is student with any number of backlogs can attend this InfyTQ. So there is no criteria that students with backlogs can't write this examination. So more information regarding the InfyTQ certification is given in the link. So please check the link that is in the description box. So you can showcase your talent there, and you will get a high paying job at the start of your career if you choose this field. So to get placed, you need to be master on a demand technology. So demand technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, IoT, that's Internet of Things, and Python. So this helps you in getting a good job in tech companies. So maintaining a good certification from some prestigious companies will help you, and do your project on the skill that you acquire. So this helps you most in your interview. And if you done your project, the success ratio in interview is high. So the next thing is higher studies. Yes, the most suggested career option after engineering is to pursue further studies. So one such thing is GATE. So what GATE means? Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So with an excellence GATE score, you can enter prestigious engineering colleges like IITs and NITs for pursuing your MTech. And there are a lot more advantages the GATE score. And I will make a dedicated video on this, and I will leave the link in the description. So if you are watching my video in future, so you can find that link in the description box. Please check that. So the fourth one is the civil service. So many students have burning desire to serve the nation and make a dent in the system. So if you are the one, so you can opt for civil services as well. So you can see yourself in a good position if you crack civil services. And civil services is most prestigious job, and people with dedication and determination only can crack this examination. So, and civil services is one of the toughest examinations in the world. So if you want to know more about this UPSC examinations, I will make a dedicated video on this. So if you want, please comment down below. I will make a dedicated video and leave the link in the description. So the fifth one is so writing the CAT examination. So getting a good score in CAT and entering into the best IIMs, you can do MBA, and you can get MBA from those prestigious colleges will help you in future. And the sixth one is engineering services examinations. So Indian engineering services examination is also the toughest exam. So in order to choose IES, so you need to be master in your core subjects, and you can also get some government jobs with this IES score. So, and these are some career options after BTech. There are a lot more, but these are some of them, and you can choose you based on your interest. So let me know what is your choice. Comment down below on how I explained this video. So thank you for watching.